Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor.ai, and today I'll show you how you can sync Facebook page data into a BigQuery table in a few steps. Before you get started, make sure that you have admin access to a BigQuery instance and that you have access to a Facebook page account. The Facebook page account should be linked through a Facebook Business Manager account. Okay, let's get started. Now, as a first step, you go to onboard.windsor.ai, and then you can search here for the platform Facebook page. Once you click on it, you see that Grant Facebook Page Access button. Do click on it, and then you're redirected into Facebook, and you'll be sent through an authentication flow where you specify what pages you'd like to grant access to the Windsor connector. Once that is successful, you're then redirected back into the app here. Now, as a next step, we go to Preview and Destination. And we want to preview the data we're going to send to BigQuery first. So now here, you see Select Data Source. I'm clicking on Facebook Organic. You will only have Facebook Organic. For me, I have more because I have other sources connected here in Windsor.ai. Now I click here last 28 days because I do not have a post in the last 7 days. So then I can see data appearing here. Now let's say we want to add post impressions, post clicks as additional metrics as well. So now I will sync account name, date, post clicks, post ID, post impressions, and video source into BigQuery. If I click get data here, the preview will then load and I see data here. It's not a lot, but it should be enough to show you how the data gets into BigQuery. Now, as a next step, we click on BigQuery here, and then you will have an empty screen here. I already have set up a few other tasks, so you can see them here. But what you would do is you click on Add Destination Task. Now you will have to fill in quite a bit of information. That's probably the most complex bit here in this tutorial. Before you start, go into your IAM and admin console and give BigQuery admin and storage admin rights to this service account here. Just follow the instructions. Then as a next step, you need to specify a task. So I'm going to call this dummy Facebook page upload. And then I will need to specify the project ID. Now the project ID I can find here in the dataset info in BigQuery. So that is Windsor-AI. The BigQuery dataset ID is Pied Piper. What we also do as part of the syncs, we push the data into a cloud storage bucket as a CSV file. Now I have a cloud bucket here, which is called Marketing Data Pied Piper. And then I have a folder in the cloud storage bucket called Demo Time. Now we give it the table name. This table is created on the first run. So I'm just going to reuse the name here. And then I would need to specify a schedule here. So this is in UTC. So now I specify 2 a.m. UTC. We're loading these fields here for the last 28 days into BigQuery. Then I click Save. And then the data is streamed over. Now the upload is okay. So now if I go back into BigQuery and I would refresh this view here. And you can see now we have the account name, date, post clicks, post ID, post impressions, and source synced into BigQuery, which are the fields which we have specified here. So now, if you're happy with this, you can then run a backfill. So you could say, I would want to have 1.5 years of data from Facebook pages over into my BigQuery table. I click Save, and then the export is triggered. Now you would create multiple tables for all the different combinations of metrics and dimensions you'd like to have available in BigQuery. And then once you're done, you can start working with the data in BigQuery. Thanks very much for watching and enjoy using our connectors.